That's a lot better. Thank God Trackside is working, because real time's crap. Right, the time is 17:24. This will be the 17:28 London LNER service from London King's Cross to Glasgow Central. And, knowing our luck, the 17:25 LNER service from London King's Cross to Middlesbrough. Yeah, there's severe delays today, but Edinburgh way. I couldn't believe it when he arrived. Engineering works at weekend. The do not travel warnings being issued. Between here, could also have okay, so we'll also be remaining down for the 17:28 Freightliner service from South Bank Lackenby to Anchor Works. I'm not even going to pronounce it. But first is your London King's Cross to Glasgow. It's just past Templehurst, so I should start seeing him soon. Can't believe it, I've waited all this time for these closures. And I waited half an hour for a bloody closure. Oh well, at least we're getting them now. Train 1. Oh, is it Grand Central first? Wow. Are we staying or are we going? Wow, we're going up. You see what I mean? I don't know which timetable to use. Oh, we're not going to be up for long because we've got 1S23 approaching. Yes, we have. Yep, 1 and 2, 3 just about to approach Templehurst, so we'll be coming down in a minute. In fact, we should be lowering us very shortly. Same very shortly. We should be coming down shortly. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you can enough, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.